Hello, this is Sub Sarkar from Rolling Dice Technologies and Rolling Dice Group. Thank you very much for visiting this short presentation where we want to show you some of the website features, some interesting features that currently business houses are regularly opting for it, and also the designs that we have built on the customer recommendations and through the consultancies of our creative artists. So we are going to start with a website that is mitalented.com. So as you can understand, this MITalented is something that is referring to the website that is based to undermine the and rather data mine good talented artists in this arena where different genre of artists can actually upload their songs. From there they can be picked up by the correct organization or the artist houses where they get an opportunity to sing in future. So in this website, if I talk about the feature, it's built on WordPress technology, and you can see you can log in. Here is quickly the showy icon where you can log in or you can sign up, and you can sign up from here as well. And this design has been built with a designer artist who has worked for this project. And there are some of the features that I would like to show this opening an account with the help of which you can open the account. So it's very simple design where people can easily look into this icon and understand that they need to build an account from here. They can review a particular song that has been already uploaded in the system, or they can upload their own songs after they had built their account. At the same time, they can give the rating and share and everything. So here are some of the latest uploads that will be dynamically listed by the algorithm that we have placed on the back end of the website. And there will be new songs as well. Apart from this, there are about contact FAQ pages. So this business is still not live, but yeah, it's in progress, and we are still working on that, although it's in production. And there will be different categories and genres of songs that we can actually upload here. So you can see these hypo genres, the test genres. So as you can see in YouTube, you are going to see it over here. So there was a client requirement to keep it as simple as possible. So that's why the look and feel is very on the simple end. Moving on to something with eye-catching yet simple, and that's it does clip. This is a website of stock clipping, where you can see the website will be dynamically based on the parallax. Open on the back end, there will be different types of videos that there will be play one after another. There will be different categories of collections that will be played here, and it is going to move like this. The background video is going to move on its own, just a double frame that is working on the top of each other. So there are different types of categories. You can select nature, people, plant, time, religion, and there will be different videos that are going to play on the back end based on the algorithms. There is a search functionality with the help of which you are going to find your best video. So if I talk about business, you are going to get the business videos. If I talk about the animal, you are going to get the animal videos. So let's try one of them, something that you might be choosing at your own. So I would like to search here lifestyle. So let's see what we have in lifestyle. So once I click on any video, the video is going to get played on the back end. So we can actually design these type of features for your website at your own requirements at the best customization that can be offered. So if I click on this particular website, or I can directly add it to the cart, here is a functionality, or I can add it to my clip bin. So let's see how does it work. So once I click on the website, so I get two options. One is adding to the clip bin, another is adding it to download preview. So this is an e-commerce platform. So if I want to add it to my cart, I can directly add to my cart, and you can see the clip has been added to my cart, and I can just check out, and there I go to the payment gateway, and I can actually pay. So moving on to the next website, that will be pretty simple. But yes, that's also something e-commerce type that we are going to look right now. So this is our new website. So this is a website where domain hosting, marketing, servers, and are offered. So we are going to explore a bit more about this website. So you can see the functionality are there for registering the domain prices, new domain extensions, transfer of domains. So these features are covered by this website. And there are facilities of web hosting and hosting transfer, DNS hosting, email exchange, email hosting, site protection, email protection. And there are also areas of web analytics, email marketing, traffic booster, and the important and the best feature and something unique that we have designed here is e-website builder, where you can actually build your website here. So you can see, like, once you buy a package, you get an opportunity of building your own website. I'll show you in brief, like how this website builder actually works. So you can actually choose the design, and when you choose the design, there will be a design section where you can choose the design. After that, there will be a typical site editor like this. Then there will be specific products that you can add, like butterscotch. You can see there's different type of cakes and muffins categories that have been chosen, and then you can just make a checkout and make your payment, and where PayPal, Amex, Visa, MasterCard, these gateways are supported, and you can have your own website domain hosting servers using this. So here the functionality is based on the business where people are trying to get their own domain hosting website and they can build online. So there is a work of PHP, JavaScript, as well as Java backend coding involved to get the job done. So moving on to something special in terms of Indian location. So this is giftronny.com. So this is a website that is specifically based on Indian festivals. So this is a website of festivals, but yes, e-commerce as well. So what I'm going to show you is that so there will be different products that will be displayed over here, and you can add to cart, you can select, you can there is a good filter of pricing as well, which is going to work according to the prices. So there will be different categories that can be selected, and here you are, there are search engines, and already I added my item to the cart, and typical e-commerce functionality is there. You can add more items, and you can just update your cart, and here you go, like cart was updated, and you can the calculation, and all you need to you can leave your own text over here, and here's the links that are also added, and there will be some policies like typical business that we have, and there are social networking facilities as well. So moving on to something different right now will be a business website, mygraphics.com. We have tried to add some animations on the back end, and we are designing customizing as well. So you can see if I go to the page, under this slogan, we actually write content for our customers to design them to custom videos, in their portfolio page, they're going to add their own products, and you can also have an admin. And this has been added typically from the admin channel that we are going to provide you, and you can add your own work and portfolio there. And you can add your clients here as well, which is going to get displayed on your auto slider on your front page. I'm going to show you how it gets added to your own auto slider as a front page. So here you are, go to the home page, and whatever clients that you try to add over to is going to get displayed over here as a part of the page. Then you add your Harold White, you should get hired, and we can write exclusive content for you about after viewing your USPs, and you can add your map, your message area from where the SSH is going to connect to your inbox server, and you can get the messages from your clients. So that's all we have from the business area. Now we will move into the last area. That is something special, something personal, and can be corporate and professional as well, where you can capture the occasions, and that is very much different from the business. So this is the area where you can actually gift your fiance or fiancé with some special website design, where we have used some simple 2D animations. As you can see, this is the website of a marriage website of a bride and a groom. My guys have given in my name just as a part of the demo, so that's fine. So here we have displayed the dates when the marriage is happening, and how the story is been compiled, has been displayed in this website. So we are going to walk through the pages, and it's pretty simple. You just scroll down and you can see that how the pictures are getting loaded based on the theme that the couple has made for the first time in a movie hall, and they will be using some simple JS and other Java codes that are going to help us in placing and putting these animations all together from backend. So you can see the guy is offering flowers in his skirt, and that's how it's going to work with different themes in a pretty simple way, where we can use some simple 2D designs or animations, and putting up stories, maybe some success stories or some mementos that can be recorded and captured in this way, that can be used for any company presentations as well, in business meetings as well, for any relationships that are personal as well, and capturing any moment, any bicentenary or any grand moments, or any contributions to the industry, or even these types of functionality can be also used for showcasing any new product launch as well, in a pretty well-defined way and in a pretty better way. But yes, of course, the baseline of this design is that using some simple animations, putting in a collage, and capturing, and when you scroll back, you can also go to the format pages in a very simple way. It's just like layers of the layers, and putting the correct concept in the correct direction to give you the best possibility of getting the jobs done. So that's how everything that is getting moved one after another. So that's all today from my end. This is So signing off. Hope to see you guys sooner, interacting, discussing more of your business. And the reason why we have gone live in the PPH is there. We are pretty interested to give you the price that a freelancer actually charges, but of course, keeping the quality, regulated, compliant to the top industrial standards that an organization usually offers. And we have our operating companies all across the world. We handle partners who are ISO compliant, who are also working with us hand in hand. And we strive really every day in getting the best freelancers and the best in-house creative artists, putting them together and hiring them full-time in our own locations and giving you the best results. We are actually striving every day to find this appropriate creative guys to put into our organization, fitting them into the best role that they should be and they have dreamt of or they are passionate of, and connecting your organizational needs with them to get the best thing delivered in any domain that you can imagine. For if you are an automobile dealership, we find you the best guys who are interested about automobiles. If you are a company who are creating a website for a restaurant, we will find the best foodie who is a good web designer for you to design your website. And that's how you can see that different types of website gets delivered based on the customer taste and keeping the functionality and code optimization and fast loading capacities. But yes, the design is according to the taste and based on the subject matter expert that you choose. So thank you very much for visiting the video, and we'll also try to make the best projects that we can, and also we'll like to hear more of your responses, maybe more in formal Skype calls or telephone calls to understand your business needs better before you award us the project. Thank you very much for listening. Bye bye. Take care.